Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to fix League of Legends failed to launch. All right, so let's begin with the video. The first thing you need to do is open the registry editor on your computer. Once it opens, navigate to HKey, local, machine, then open the software folder. After that, scroll down until you find Microsoft. Inside the Microsoft folder, continue scrolling until you see Windows NT. Open Windows NT, and then go into current version here. Scroll down, and after that, select Image File Execution Options. Inside this section, look for an entry called Dev Override Enable. Once you find it, double-click on it. If the value data is currently set to 0, change it to 1. If it is already set to 1, then switch it back to 0 instead. Basically, you just want to change it to the opposite value. After making the change, click OK and close the registry editor. In many cases, this alone can solve the launch problem. If you cannot find Dev Override enable inside that folder, you can create it manually. To do this, right-click inside the window, choose New, and then select D word value 32. After creating it, make sure you name it exactly like this, using the same capitalization. Once it has been created, set the value to either 0 or 1, depending on the current state, and then save the change. If the game still does not launch after that, there is another method you can try. Locate your Riot Client installation folder and open the file location. Do this once more. Then, right-click on the Riot Client Services application and select Properties. Then, open the Compatibility tab and enable the compatibility-related options shown there. Once done, then you should also repeat the same process for the Riot Client shortcut on your desktop. After that, go to your Riot Games installation folder and apply the same compatibility settings to the main League of Legends executable files as well. Once you have updated all of those settings, restart your computer and then try launching the game again. After rebooting, the issue should hopefully be resolved and League of Legends should open normally. And that's it. So that's basically how you can fix League of Legends failed to launch. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.